Question 1. The veterinary clinic treats various animals: dogs, cats, birds, exotic reptiles, and small mammals throughout the year. Question 2. Where did you purchase that beautiful bicycle? Admired the cyclist while examining the impressive mountain bike. Question 3. Throughout the camping trip, families pitched tents, roasted marshmallows, and told stories around the crackling campfire. Question 4. The bakery specializes in delicious pastries: croissants, muffins, Danish pastries, and freshly baked bread. Question 5. I think the new restaurant serves exceptional cuisine. Praised the food critic after tasting the chef's signature dishes. Question 6. Before the talent show, performers rehearsed acts, practiced songs, and prepared costumes for the evening entertainment. Question 7. Which movie would you like to watch tonight? Suggested the family while browsing streaming service options. Question 8. The hobby store sells creative supplies: paints, brushes, canvas boards, and crafting materials for artistic projects. Question 9. Don't forget to water the plants, reminded the homeowner while we're traveling this weekend. Question 10. During the nature hike, explorers identified wildflowers, observed wildlife, and documented interesting geological formations. Question 11. The farmer's market offers local products: fresh vegetables, homemade preserves, artisan breads, and seasonal fruits. Question 12. How many languages can you speak fluently? Inquired the international student during the cultural exchange program. Question 13. Following the workshop, participants shared insights, discussed applications, and exchanged contact information for future collaboration. Question 14. The electronics store stocks modern devices: smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and smart home accessories. Question 15. The sunrise looks absolutely magnificent, whispered the photographer quietly. Let's capture this perfect moment. Question 16. After the soccer match, players celebrated victory, thanked supporters, and planned their championship celebration party. Question 17. Could you help me solve this challenging puzzle? Requested the frustrated student while working on the brain teaser. Question 18. The automotive garage provides essential services: oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and engine diagnostics. Question 19. Make sure to lock the doors securely, advised the security expert, before leaving for your vacation. Question 20. While attending the conference, delegates networked professionally, attended seminars, and explored innovative business solutions. Question 21. When will the construction work be completed? Wondered the impatient commuter about the road renovation project. Question 22. The bookstore features diverse literature: mystery novels, science fiction, poetry collections, and historical biographies. Question 23. During the family reunion, relatives shared stories, caught up on news, and enjoyed traditional home cooked meals together. Question 24. The pet grooming salon offers specialized treatments: nail trimming, fur styling, teeth cleaning, and aromatherapy baths. Question 25. I hope the weather stays nice for our picnic, wished the organizer while checking the meteorological forecast.